Hello everybody, I'm Darishi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video was a requested video by one of my lovely subscribers, and this makeup look was inspired by Dia Mirza, and I'm not going to show you how to do this hairstyle or how to curl your hair in this video because honestly I'm still trying to figure it out. As you guys can see, my hair is naturally very curly, especially near the ends, and I absolutely adore that. It's just that whenever I try to straighten them or when I try to curl them in a different fashion, they just go back to how they want to be. So I'm still trying to figure that out. Once I do, I'll upload that video, so stay tuned and please subscribe so that you get notifications of my uploads. Hit the bell icon and please enjoy the makeup look. Starting off with my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Sun Beige, I'm using 2 pumps on my face and using this Puna Store Miracle sponge to blend it. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige to highlight these parts of my face. Just creating a bed for the eyeshadow and setting all of the concealer with my Faces Canada Go Chic powder in the shade Natural. Now using my Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, I'm creating this transition orange color and now darkening my outer crease and the crease, my socket with the brown shade. To create the smoky eye look, I'm just putting this brown shade all over my lids with my finger first and then blending it with this fluffy brush. She had a wet eyeshadow look going on, so I'm using this Summer Solstice shade by Nicka K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadows. The good thing about these is that they are very radiant, they are easy to apply, but they can look patchy from certain angles. Now creating my eyeliner with Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. And I'm using my PAC 58 lashes because she was also using big lashes. Now I'm using this PAC powder blusher in the shade 04 and using this Wet n Wild blush brush for it. Now I'm using this Honey Cherry shade by Maybelline New York Sensational and topping it off with this D-Surprise shade by Colorbar Velvet Matte. I hope you like this look. Please stay tuned to my channel, and until the next video, please take care and bye.